how to fix WhatsApp notification sound not working on iPhone. Missing WhatsApp notification sounds? Let's bring them back with a few easy fixes. Go to Settings and go to Notifications and swipe down to find WhatsApp. And ensure the sounds are turned on right here. And allow notifications is enabled. In WhatsApp, go to Settings, go to Notifications, and check if the sound is set to tone instead of none right here. Make sure your phone isn't in silent mode and check that focus or do not disturb isn't enabled. Swipe down and right here. That should fix your WhatsApp notification sound in no time. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.